Welcome to the Bacchus Foundation's Statement of Interest Applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you'll need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find the Bacchus Foundation and click on Select Program next to their name. They have two programs or applications on our site. You're applying to the Statement of Interest. You're just going to click on Start Draft App. You're now in the draft application. There are three tabs on the left-hand side. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, we are on the instructions page. Please make sure you scroll down and read all of them. When you're done, you can move the arrow to the right, which takes you to the next page, and there's also an arrow to the left which moves you back. You can also click on the tabs on the left-hand side to jump around to different pages. Each page has a Save button. If you enter information in a field and you click the arrow to the right or to the left, that information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be entering a lot of information and being on one page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Any field with a red asterisk means it's required. You cannot submit your application until all the required fields and all the required documents have been uploaded. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. So we're on the Contact page. Then you can move to the next page, which is the Questions page. This page has some drop-down questions, some text boxes. So for example, Organization Mission and History allows 2,000 characters. As you type, you can see the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. Some browsers allow you to extend these boxes and make them bigger. You can also cut and paste your answers from another program like Microsoft Word into these boxes. The last page is the Check Application page. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly I did not fill out all the required fields and upload any required documents. So there's a table below that tells me the reasons why. For example, on the Contact page, the first name field is empty. So I need to click on the link to get back to the Contact page. You can either do that in the table or on the left-hand side. Once all my information has been loaded that is required, I can come to my Check Application page. There'll be a green Ready for Submission. I can click the arrow to the right and submit my application. I will receive an application number on the screen. I will also receive an application confirmation email. You can also go back to your dashboard and find your application, a copy of it, under your Grants tab. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. You can pause out of the application, come back to the dashboard, log out. When you log back in, you have an Exit Draft Application and a Resume Draft Application. If I click on Resume Draft Application, I go right back into the application on the page I left off. If I exit my draft application, I don't lose any work that I've entered. I've just removed that I'm working on the draft. If you did this by accident, just click on Start Draft App, select Bacchus, and go back into the Statement of Interest. As I mentioned earlier, once you submit your application, you will have a copy under your Grants tab. That's located on the top up here. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.